Hi guys, RC car lovers like me. I gonna show you this awesome car. This is a R35 GTR racing car and drifting car. So it's from the brand Outbound band. I got this car from Amazon. It was about like 43 bucks free shipping, so it's a very good deal. So I'm very excited to see what's inside and do some unboxing and some testing to it. So actually there's more models. I got the red one. Actually I like the orange one. All of the cars are cool, but I got the red one. So it's the most popular, it seems, from the search that I did. So this is a 1/14 scale, remote control, 2.4 gigahertz. So let's see what's inside. So I'm gonna open the box. Okay, there's a tape in there. Okay, see. Wow, awesome. Some instructions that I'm gonna be watching later to know how to operate this car. Okay, some stickers. I guess this for the spoiler. These two kinds of stickers. I don't know for what are these, where I'm gonna put them. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, this is the controller. Very simple controller. I think this from the preview video I saw that I can swap this tire. Was very hard. Okay, I can swap this steering wheel to the other side. If I'm left-handed, you can place it on the other side. But this is a very cool feature. I never seen something like this, but actually I'm right-handed, so I'm gonna put it in here. It's very cool feature to have, especially if you're with a friend that is left-handed. He wants to use it, so you can switch it to the other side. Pretty simple controller. I think this is for the lights. I don't know for what's for which function has the other button, but we will see. Let's put this aside. This is a charger, pretty simple charger. Okay. But yeah, screwdriver, very good. Very good to have. I think it's for swapping the tires. Actually, this model has, like I said, I think has two sets of tires. This is a car. Look at this. Oh, it's kind of hard to. Let me be careful. Okay. It's kind of hard to get out though. I wanna break anything. This is the car. Awesome. Actually, this is a PVC plasticky body. It's very lightweight, but I think it's pretty fast. This one has the racing tires on. They look so cool. Look at those. I think I'm gonna be swapping these for the drifting tires that I'm gonna show you. Let me put this car in here. Cool. I love it. I love the color. Love the spoiler though. Looks cool. Let me see the drifting tires. Oh, it's kind of hard to take this out of here. These are the drift tires. Difference is this has rubber tires on it, so it's very good for the street and racing. And this one has hard plastic. They look cool too. Gonna be swapping to these. Okay, put all this here. Cool. great value for the money. Yeah, it comes with some cones for the drifting practice or whatever you want to do with them. It's very good to have these. Okay, these are the batteries. I think these batteries are the newer style. The older style, I think they were like on a blue kind of wrapping and with the cable, kind of old style battery. But this one looks cool. It's pretty simple to operate and put it in here. Great. Gonna be putting the battery in there. So, oh, it's a perfect fit, man. Look at that. So I think these pins are for holding the battery. Yeah, cool. Let's see if it turns on. Oh, great. Look at those lights. Has LED lights on the back too. That's great. I think that covers it all. Nothing else. Pretty good packaging. Very stiff packaging. I think I'm gonna be using this to store it, or because I don't have anything else to place it on. So okay, so that's gonna be it. See you in the next part. I'll be gonna testing this car. I think I'm gonna use the drift tires so I can test it inside the house. So I'll be seeing you in a moment. Guys, I'll be testing the car right now so I can test my drifting skills, if I'm good or not. Let's see. Not bad. Not bad. Look at that. So that's it, guys. That was a very good drifting practice. I have to keep practicing though, but it's a pretty cool car in general. I like it. So I'll see you later. Stick around.